Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'll tell you about the best 5 FMCG stocks in India. You can buy these 5 best stock in terms of its valuation and also the share price. And these stocks are not very expensive, so I have chosen accordingly, not very expensive. Now you can invest for long term and you can get good return in near future. If you can invest for 6 to 1 year, you will get very good return. I have not chosen very expensive one like Britannia and other one Dabur, because they are very expensive now based on the valuation. So I have chosen some different FMCG stocks in order to gain good profit in near future. So let's go through these 5 stocks and see what are there in the list. So first one I have chosen, it is this is always a favorite stocks for all. It is Hindustan Unilever. So okay, so Hindustan Unilever is one of the best stocks to buy in terms of its market capital and its volume. So you can select these stocks to purchase. Okay. And then the second one is ITC Limited. You can know this is a major FMCG sector, FMCG stocks you can purchase, and it's daily is having very good volume limit. So you can invest in these stocks for long term and you'll get surely 5 to 6 time returns in you can expect in 6 months to 1 year. Okay. So next stocks I have selected Spencer's Retail. This is its upside potential stocks and is doing really good. It has very bright future. Okay, so you can invest in this future Spencer's Retail Limited FMCG stocks. This will give you good return in 6 months to from 6 months to 1 year. Okay, in terms of its volume and its management structure, this company is really good to invest. But invest for long term if you want to gain good return in 6 months to 1 year. Okay, let's move and see the other stocks. Imami Limited, they have very good product in market, including oil and then sour products and various others grocery items all over India. So this is also one of the favorite FMCG stocks. Again, I would like to reiterate that I have not chosen Britannia or Dabur or any Nestle, this kind of FMCG stocks, because those are very expensive and difficult to buy, because for a normal retail investors it is really difficult to buy those expensive stocks. So that's what I have chosen medium level price stocks, so that you can invest for long term. Okay, let's go to the next stocks, and the last one I think is Adani Enterprise Limited. Again, is doing really good. Okay, so Adani has again in they are doing very good business in oil, various edible oils, and then the grocery items like atta, and then the other food grain items. So Adani is really one of the very good FMCG stocks you can select, and you can invest for long term in order to gain good profit. Okay, so you can do your own research and then only please invest. Okay, but as per me, I have done all the research and then only I have chosen these 5 stocks to invest. These are the 5 stocks best FMCG stocks for investors in current Indian market. Okay, so I think that's all for today. Please subscribe my channel because I am going to publish this kind of informative videos for you in near future as well. Please support my work and subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.